And as the ACLU was in court fighting to keep an illegal immigrant and her daughter from being deported, they learned the mother and daughter were already on a plane to El Salvador. Now a federal judge in Washington, D.C. is threatening to hold Attorney General Jeff Sessions in contempt. Laura Podesta reports for WJZ.
In the middle of a deportation court hearing yesterday, the ACLU found out the mother and daughter they were representing were already being deported and on a plane flying from Texas back to El Salvador. Judge Emmett Sullivan ordered the government to return Carmen and her daughter to the United States and called the deportation outrageous. Carmen is a pseudonym for the woman who, along with her daughter, were denied asylum. The ACLU was fighting to delay their deportation while a separate case was underway.
She was fleeing pervasive domestic abuse, sexual abuse, as well as threats from violent gang members, and she fled to this country seeking safety.
Carmen and her 11 co-plaintiffs are challenging a new Trump administration policy that makes it more difficult for immigrants claiming to be victims of domestic or gang violence to get asylum.
The vast majority of the current asylum claims we're seeing are not valid.
The Justice Department is not commenting on the case. Carmen and her daughter never got off the plane in El Salvador. They were flown back to Houston and sent to a detention center in South Texas. Laura Podesta reporting for WJZ.